Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn 100 vocabulary words that are important for day-to-day conversations along with their meaning. First word is abandon, abandon. It means to leave something behind. Next word is abundant, abundant. It means a lot of something. Next word is accurate, accurate. It means correct or exact. Next word is achieve, achieve. Achieve means successfully doing something. Next word is adapt, adapt. Adapt means to change to fit new conditions. Next word is admire, admire. Admire means to look up to someone or something. Next word is ambition, ambition. Ambition means a strong goal or dream. Next word is analyze, analyze. Analyze means to look at something carefully. Since you know the meaning now, can you frame a sentence using the word analyze? Write down your answers in the comment sections below. Next word is anxious, anxious. Anxious means to be worried or nervous. Next word is appreciate, appreciate. Appreciate means to be thankful or value something. Next word is artificial, artificial. Artificial is something that is not natural or it is man-made. Next word is astonish, astonish. Astonish means to be greatly surprised. Next word is attempt, attempt. Attempt means to try to do something. Next word is attitude, attitude. Attitude means the way of thinking or feeling. Next word is authentic, authentic. Authentic means to be real and true. The first word is behavior, behavior. Behavior means the way someone acts. Next word is benefit. Benefit means good result or advantage. Next word is boundary, boundary. Boundary means a line that shows limits. Next word is brutal, brutal. Brutal means very cruel or harsh. Next word is calculate, calculate. Calculate means do math to find an answer. Next word is capable, capable. Capable means able to do something. Next word is cautious, cautious. It means careful to avoid danger. Next word is challenge, challenge. Challenge means a hard task or problem. Next word is charity, charity. Charity means giving help to those in need. Next word is clarify, clarify. Clarify means make something clear. Next word is colleague, colleague. Colleague means a person that you work with. Next word is combine, combine. Combine means to put things together. Next word is communicate, communicate. Communicate means to share information. Next word is compassion, compassion. Compassion means to care for others' feelings. Now that you know the meaning, can you frame a sentence using the word compassion? Write your answers in the comment sections below. Next word is compete, compete. Compete means to try to win against others. Next word is complicated, complicated. Complicated means something that is hard to understand. Next word is comprehend, comprehend. Comprehend means to understand something. concentrate, concentrate. Concentrate means to focus your mind. Next word is confident, confident. Confident means to be sure about yourself or to be sure about something. Next word is consequence, consequence. Consequence means the result of an action. Next word is consider, consider. Consider means to think carefully about something. Next word is consume. Consume means to use or eat something. Next word is convince. Convince means to make someone believe something. Next word is cooperate, cooperate. Cooperate means to work together. Next word is courageous, courageous. Courageous means to be brave. Next word is curious, curious. Curious means wanting to know more. decisive, decisive. Decisive means to be able to make choices quickly. Next word is declare, declare. Declare means to say something clearly and officially. Next word is demonstrate, demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show how to do something. Now that you know the meaning, can you frame a sentence using the word demonstrate? Write your answers in the comment sections below. Next word is dependable, dependable. Dependable means one who can be trusted. Next word is describe, describe. Describe means to say what something is like. Next word is desperate, desperate. Desperate means feeling a strong need or want. Next word is determine, determine. Determine means to decide something firmly. Next word is devote, devote. Devote means to give time or effort to something. Next word is disguise, disguise. Disguise means to hide your true appearance. Next word is distinguish, distinguish. Distinguish means to see the difference. Next word is diverse, diverse. Diverse means different from each other. Efficient, efficient. Efficient means doing something well without waste. Next word is elaborate, elaborate. Elaborate means to give more details or to explain about something in more details. Next word is elevate, elevate. Elevate means to raise up. Next word is embarrass, embarrass. Embarrass means to make someone feel shy or awkward. Next word is emphasize, emphasize. Emphasize means to give importance. Next word is encounter, encounter. Encounter means to meet or face suddenly. Next word is encourage, encourage. Encourage means to give support or hope. Next word is enormous, enormous. Enormous means very big. Next word is essential, essential. Essential means very important. Next word is establish, establish. Establish means to set up or start something. Next word is evaluate, evaluate. Evaluate means to judge or measure something. Next word is evidence, evidence. Evidence means proof of something. Next word is exception, exception. Exceptions means not following the rule. Next word is exhausted, exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. Next word is expand, expand. Expand means to make bigger. Next word is experiment, experiment. Experiment means a test to find out something. Next word is extraordinary, extraordinary. Extraordinary means very special or unusual. Next word is fascinate, fascinate. Fascinate means strongly interest in someone. Next word is flexible, flexible. Flexible means can bend or change easily. Next word is frustrate, frustrate. Frustrate means to make someone upset or annoyed. Next word is generous, generous. Generous means to be giving and kind. Next word is genuine, genuine. Genuine means real and honest. Next word is hesitate, hesitate. Hesitate means to wait because you are unsure. Next word is humble, humble. Humble means to consider yourself as having no special importance that makes you better than others. Next word is identify, identify. Identify means to recognize or name something. Next word is ignore, ignore. Ignore means not to pay attention to anything or anyone. Next word is impact, impact. Impact means a strong effect. Next word is improve, improve. Improve means to be better or to make something better. Next word is incredible, incredible. Incredible means hard to believe or something that is amazing. Next word is independent, independent. Independent means doing things without help. Next word is indicate, indicate. Indicate means to show or point out. Next word is influence, influence. Influence means to change how someone thinks or acts. Next word is informative, informative. Informative means giving useful information. Next word is inspire, inspire. Inspire means to make someone feel like doing something. Next word is intention, intention. Intention means the plan or aim. Next word is investigate, investigate. Investigate means to try to find the truth. If you are watching our video till now, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Next word is involve, involve. Involve means to take part in. Next word is isolate, isolate. Isolate means keep away from others. Next word is maintain, maintain. Maintain means to keep in good condition. Next word is mysterious, mysterious. It means something that is hard to understand or explain. Next word is neglect, neglect. Neglect means fail to care for something. Next word is observe, observe. Observe means to watch carefully. Next word is optimistic, optimistic. Optimistic means to be hopeful and positive. Next word is persuade, persuade. Persuade means to convince someone to do something. Next word is precise, precise. Precise means to be exact and clear. Next word is reliable, reliable. Reliable means something that can be trusted. Next word is significant, significant. Significant means something that is important. Last and the 100th word is victorious, victorious. Victorious means having won something.